Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Camcorder 2 effect or Camcorder 2 effect. So, initially, what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects and then go up to Video Effects, TV, and then you'll be able to find it. It's going to be the fifth one. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Something you guys should know is that, this is a pro effect. So if you don't have CapCut Pro, you won't be able to export a video with this effect on it. You need to get CapCut Pro for it. So now with the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the blur of the effect, the filter, the lateral chromatic aberration, strength, sharpen, and texture. We can also add keyframes. So for example, let's do blur. The more the blurry. Okay. So what we can do is go into the timeline and set the blur right here, and then move the player head over here, and then decrease the blur completely, and the keyframe automatically adds, and we can take a look. And there you have the Camcorder 2 effect. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.